Customizing your Wix color scheme. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to customize your Wix color scheme. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, what you want to do is go to site design right here, and then from here to change your color scheme, just go to color theme over here, and then from here you can now start choosing your colors for your color scheme. So in the top over here, we have our base colors or main colors. So this is what most of our website will be using. And then we have accent colors right here. So feel free to choose on what kind of colors you want to use for your website. Or what you can also do is if you don't like manually changing the colors of your color scheme, what you can do is click on change color theme right here. And then from here, Wix has pre-built color schemes right here that you can choose. So feel free to choose on what kind of color scheme you want to use in here. So for example, I want to choose this color scheme right here. So I'll just click on it. And then there you go. The color scheme of my website has now been changed. And then once you're done, of course, don't forget to click on save to save all of your changes. And then there you go. And then that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to change your color scheme on Wix. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.